Good morning, it's Donalyn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60. This morning I have my Instapot out because I'm going to demonstrate how to make homemade yogurt. Very simple with 2 ingredients, whole milk and starter yogurt. So my Instapot does not have a yogurt setting, but you can still make yogurt using it. To start, we're gonna open our milk and pour it directly into this stainless steel bowl. I've poured my milk in and now I'm going to reach around and hit the saute button. And what this will do is kill all the bacteria that's in it, or any bacteria that's in it. We're back and let's check. Our milk is at 180 degrees and we do have some skin on it. So I'm going to take this out with my whisk. You could take it out with a fork. Some people leave theirs in. I don't like to. So this is just the skin on the top of the milk. I'm gonna throw that in here and then I'm just gonna whisk this. We need to let this sit till it gets down to 108 degrees, which could be another couple of hours. So I don't wanna leave this wide open. I'm gonna take a clean flour towel and cover it. So I will see you back in a couple of hours. Okay, our temperature is at 108, so it's time to put in our yogurt starter. And my yogurt starter is from the last yogurt that I made. So I'm just going to take it and dump it in. We're just going to put the lid on and we're going to leave this set for 8 hours. Our 8 hours are up, so let's check this yogurt. Oh, it looks really good. Okay, let's see. You can see that. Looks really good. It looks really thick. Now the next step is to take this and put it in our refrigerator. So I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and I'm going to cover it with this towel. Clean kitchen towel. I'm going to come back for it in the morning. In the morning, it's time to get our yogurt out of the refrigerator. So it looks really good. I'm going to transport this into a sterilized jar. You don't have to put it into this. I a lot of times just put it in a big Tupperware thing, but just for today, this is really would be cute. So I just, without making a mess, I'm just gonna do this over the lid so you can see the texture of this delicious yogurt. So we're gonna take it and scoop it into this jar. That is delicious. So you can add fruit to the top, you can drizzle it with honey, you can add any topping that you'd like to this. You can replace sour cream with this. There's so many uses that you can do, and you can see it's really actually quite easy. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe.